Ke Sarkar Jela kala pentip bagi ya ke Jingtei ya ke Tura Medical College kala long Kumba la 100%. Bat kala ong ba kala poi haka kerdan ke bahajan jong ke jing pendep ya ke kam bala kemilinti ba ya ke academic session ke bala dep ya soy ke MOU da ke PPP mod bakala banstang no ke jing pule house nem aja punyo ajar pupra bat kadang hakalinti ban ya lingba jong ke kam nak kalian kementeri ke bakmi ya ketenat ke koi ke kia ke kong Ampareen do kala ong ba ya ke Shillong Medical College la kemilen tibha ba en la ban penteri kam no house nem ajar posan ajar pun reo.
Tura Medical College, if I remember correctly, as stated in the House, is at 55% completion. We are not very close to near completion. Tura Medical College is slated to begin its academic session post tying up of an MOU with a PPP, with a partner, private partner, and likely to take off 26-27 or 27-28. We still have that journey to go through. Shillong Medical College, which is a brownfield project, has a high probability of actually becoming operational between 25-26. So we have said that in the first year, there will be a 50-seat medical institution. And every year, every third year, the number of seats can increase up to 100 per year. And of course, you have the USMT that is also now way ahead. And there as well, the MOUs are being prepared. The PA Sangma Medical College, that also will be done on a Swiss model challenge model.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center